Make a 3-inch partition of your hair in front of the ear on both the sides. Take a section from the crown and make a regular braid. Stop after 2 or 3 knots. Split the front section in 2 parts. Twist both sections in forward direction individually. Now twist both strands together in the opposite direction. Gently twist and tie them at the back. Take another section of hair from behind the ears on both the sides. Twist these sections inward like this and tie them at the back above the braid. Now divide the hair in 3 equal sections. Braid each section in a regular braid. Now braid the 3 braided sections into one voluminous braid. Secure the braid with an embellished hair tie or an elasticated bracelet like I did.